Hi, I'm Ricardo. I'm a registered massage therapist since 1998. I'm also a certified matrix repatterning practitioner and also a registered medical acupuncturist. And over the past few years, I've been specializing in various manual therapies that have their specific focus on the organ system and how it affects the muscular system as well as the skeletal system, as in range of motion for the skeletal system and regaining strength for the muscular system. Today I'm going to be talking to you about medical acupuncture. So in very, very simple terms, medical acupuncture is the use of very thin, solid needles. And of course we can see that these are sterilized needles that just pulled them out of a package. And they are one-time use only needles. So these needles are actually going to be inserted, we'll demonstrate that in a moment, into various parts of the body, whether that be the hands, the feet. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the knees, but also it can be used for migraines, and we would insert needles in the head. We can also use them for therapy in the ear called auricular acupuncture, and also we'll be using the needles here, hooking them up to electrodes, and that'll be electroacupuncture, and you'll see that in a moment. When we're dealing with medical acupuncture, it's a little bit different than your traditional Chinese acupuncture in that its focus isn't on energy lines of the body called meridian lines, but it is neurofunctional in its approach. So what that means is that we're really after how the nerves end up affecting changes in the body. And so that's how it differs and how we're going to focus our approach. So before actually being able to put the needles in the body, we determine what the problem is first, and that's how we select the various points to treat. So we can treat points on a muscular basis in the sense of treating trigger points with the needles, as well as being able to treat deeper issues. So today we're going to demonstrate the effect of acupuncture and how it's used on the knee. And so just before I put this in, we'll just get our client to tell us how does this feel when it goes in. So how does that feel?
Feel like a little prick.
Okay. Not too painful?
No.
So this is a very short demonstration here. And how have these other ones felt too? Are they all sort of the same feeling?
No, actually these last two didn't feel anything.
Oh, okay. Good. So in most cases, not much is felt with the needles going in. And now we're going to use a stimulator. It's sort of similar to what you would see in a physiotherapy office, but rather than a TENS machine, we're actually going to be able to connect the electrodes right to the needle itself, and by doing so we'll be able to send a frequency that we'll select, and in turn that will affect the peripheral nerves, which will travel to the spinal cord and then finally to the brain. So we're affecting the area locally where the needle is, but also we are affecting the main portion of where pain is actually stored. So many are surprised to know that 90% of perceived pain is stored in the brain with chronic pain issues. And so we have to affect the nervous system in order to down-regulate that pain sensation in the brain. So coming back to the knee here, I've just hooked up 2 electrodes, and what he'll be feeling here is just a small little pulse. Okay, so again, once you feel it, let me know. You should feel it any second now.
Yeah.
You feel that?
Yeah, feel it.
Good. And so a current is being sent to the area, and what this is going to really help is speed up healing time, and that's the advantage of the electroacupuncture. And from this, we'll be able to resolve numerous issues in the body, from sprains and strain injuries, areas of the body that may have lost strength as well. And we use it in conjunction with other treatments for the best benefits possible. As well, we use the needles to be able to strengthen organ systems too. And so there are various points on the body where we insert them that may help. For example, when we put them on this side of the leg, they will actually strengthen the stomach and the gallbladder. And these are well testified in many medical journals as well. So I hope this little explanation has helped you understand a little bit more about medical acupuncture. And if you should ever need help in that area, we'd be glad to be able to answer any questions you have and get you to better health. Bye for now.